In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to paraphrase with ChatGPT. In this video, you'll learn a fast and effective way to paraphrase text using ChatGPT, whether you're working with a single sentence, a paragraph, or an entire block of content. This is a valuable skill if you want to improve clarity, avoid repeating the same wording, simplify complex ideas, or adjust the tone of your writing while keeping the original meaning intact. Whether you're a student, content creator, freelancer, or business owner, this simple process can help you write more efficiently and save valuable time. To get started, open ChatGPT on your browser or in the app and make sure you're signed in. Once you're on the main chat screen, copy and paste the text that you'd like to paraphrase. This can be a paragraph from an article, a sentence from an email, content from a document, or even a social media caption. The important thing is that the text already communicates the message you want to keep, since ChatGPT will focus on rewriting it rather than changing its meaning. Next, type a clear prompt in the message box. A great place to start is by asking ChatGPT to paraphrase the text in simple words. After entering your prompt, place your text underneath it or directly after the request and submit it. In most cases, ChatGPT will produce a version that is easier to read while preserving the original idea. This gives you a solid starting point that you can continue improving. If the first response isn't exactly what you're looking for, you can easily refine it with follow-up instructions. For example, you can ask ChatGPT to make the text shorter if you want something more concise. If you're writing for work or school, you can request a more professional style. You can also ask it to change the tone to either formal or informal, depending on your audience. Combining multiple instructions often leads to even better results because it gives ChatGPT clearer direction. Another helpful tip is to explain the purpose of your writing. Let ChatGPT know whether the paraphrased version is for a blog post, a professional email, a social media caption, or an academic assignment. Providing this context helps generate a version that better matches your intended audience and communication style. If you're still not satisfied with the response, simply ask ChatGPT to try again using slightly different instructions. You can request a more conversational style, ask it to avoid repetitive wording, or remind it to keep the original meaning exactly the same. This back-and-forth process makes it easy to fine-tune the results until they fit your needs perfectly. By following this method, you can quickly create paraphrased content that is clearer, more polished, and better suited to your audience. It's a simple yet powerful way to improve your writing while saving time. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,